The Urban Plan talks about the financial constraints that developers and development teams face on a daily basis. And it gives you the background information on what developers should consider, what governments and elected officials do or do not consider. So this version is the lightning round. While it doesn't go as into much detail as it would for regular participants who are going through the full workshop, it does give would-be volunteers and would-be users and participants in Urban Plan a flash look, if you will. So it gives them insight into the challenges, into what it takes to build out a successful community and hopefully become the selected winning developer of the Elmwood District.
For me, just the biggest surprise was, the return on the investments and what type of things make the money and what don't.
I was really surprised about how serious everyone became and really got into the exercise, and just the commitment of everybody that participated was really refreshing.